Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of our Python series. Today we're learning about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is used to store data in key-value pairs, making it easy to organize and access information. You create a dictionary using curly braces. For example, student equals name, Alex, age, 20, course, Python. Instead of using indexes like lists, dictionaries use keys. So if you write print student name, the output will be Alex. You can also add new data anytime. For example, student city equals London. Now the dictionary also stores the city. Dictionaries are perfect for storing related information like student details, user profiles, product information, or employee records. So remember, lists use indexes. Tuples cannot be changed. Sets store only unique values, and dictionaries store data as key value pairs, and that's dictionaries in Python. See you in the next lesson.